Now you're probably wondering, is Discover Hill a scam? Can I really make money off this system? If I invest into this system, can it really produce results that I'm looking for? Well, in this review, this Discover Hill review, I'm going to talk about and I'm going to show you, is this a scam or not? And can I really make money off this system? Even if I'm brand new, if I've never done any online system before, can I really get results from this? And I've got the answer to your question because you're wondering, because you clicked on this video and you wonder if this is a scam or not. Well, let's go ahead and dive into the content. But first, my name is Shelton. Welcome to the video. Welcome to this. We're going to have some fun here and it's going to be educational and entertainment. Now, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that like button right below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, you're probably wondering if this is a scam or not. Well, it's better to show you than actually keep talking about it. So let me go ahead and show you right now. Now, is this a scam or not? Well, this page right here is part of the Discover Hill of how to get started, right? And right below the video, you can check it out yourself. Right below the video, I have a link that goes right to this actually page to go ahead and you can check it out for yourself. Because right now below here, you got people signing up to purchase the 7 Ways to Win package for $7. Now you're thinking, is this a scam or not? I'm going to show you some testimonials and in this video, it talks about how to get started and that anybody can really do this system. And no, this is not a scam. This is real. So this video here breaks it down. It talks about it. It teaches you the system. It makes it so easy for you to win online right now. And so I want you to watch this video and make sure you pay attention to this video because I really believe it's going to give you the 7 ways for you can win right now. Inspiration, mindset. Let me go back to that. Inspiration, mindset, motivation, mastery, content, community, and commerce. So this actually training position yourself for you can get results right now. And for $7, I'm telling you, is that a scam? No, because basically if you purchase this, if you don't like it, you get your money back. You do. So it's a win-win situation. So basically go through this information here, this video here, it breaks it down really easy, step by step. And check this out. Look at the value of that. $3,570 is the value from this, for this. And the next 24 hours, it's only going to cost you $7 to win right now. So think about it. A scam is something where they'll take your money and they don't give you the money back. They don't give you the value. You get lost, you're confused. Or you can take something like this where it's step by step by step. It's very affordable and you get your money back guaranteed if you don't like it. Just like that. Absolutely. And you're getting people right here that's purchasing. Round the bottom left in the corner, left-hand bottom corner, people are purchasing this information because they want to know the step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to make money online. Because you clicked on here and you're wondering if this is a scam, can I make money online? You definitely get the opportunity. So this 7-day video training position yourself to get you started for you can win online. Now, all this you're going to get day 1 to day 7, and these are teaching strategy videos to really help you and inspire you for you can learn how it works. You'll get the chance to, for $7, that's basically $1 per day or $1 per video, but $1 per training that you're going to get right now. So I'm so excited that you get a chance to do this. It's no scam whatsoever. Think about this. You get the 7 days that you see here. Inspiration, mindset, motivation, mastery, content, community, and commerce. And once again, right below the video, I do have a link where you can go ahead and check it out, but you can go ahead and shine today. So go ahead and win today, each and every single time. Now you get those 7 things, but you also get a bonus, one-on-one coaching. You get that private coaching in the group. That's a really, really special opportunity. You also get the mastery action plan. So you get like a 7-day action plan on what you need to do. This is really good for newbies or beginners. And number 3, business on the go, the turnkey global business you're going to receive as well. So think about it. For $7, I'm gonna get 7 training videos, plus 3 bonus items for $7, there's no way this can be a scam. And just like I was talking about earlier, you get your money guaranteed back if you don't like it. If you don't like this, you get the money guaranteed back. And I'll show you that in a few minutes. So I'm scrolling down here on this page. Don't worry, you have access to the page. When you click on the link below, it'll say how to make money, how to get started. You go ahead and click on there and you'll get a chance to get access to this. So don't worry whatsoever. Now, with this, you're going to get, once again, the 7 days. You're going to get the bonus and you get a chance to act right now. That's what I'm going to say. You get a chance to act right now. Look out for a button that says buy 7 ways to win for $7. So on that sales page, make sure you look out for that. Make sure you look for that. You click there to get started. I don't know how long this is going to stay $7. I don't know. Because remember, it's worth $3,500. I don't know how long this is going to stay $7. Just like it says, get all right now for a tiny one-time cost. This is a one-time cost. One-time cost of $7. And check this out. Brian from California, he just purchased this 15 minutes ago. Just 15 minutes ago. Brian from California just purchased this. So he sees the value in this. He don't see this as a scam. So definitely don't even think about no scam in here. This is real. Now, this is the lowest price that has ever been. $7 is a dang steal. It's not even a scam. And just like I was saying earlier, it's risk-free with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Guarantee, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you go ahead, purchase this, you are guaranteed to get your money back if you don't like it. But I think you will, because these videos are powerful. The training is powerful. Now, this also qualifies this of not being a scam as well, of these testimonials. And check this out. This is me. It's me. That's my testimonial. And let me read exactly what I said, showing you this is not a scam. I tried the system and I was able to get results from the system. Results are not typical. It's not guaranteed you're going to get results. But if you take action, you get a positive attitude, and you go ahead and do exactly what they tell you to do, I do think this has a chance of doing something positive to you right now. Now, this is what I said. This is the place to be in 2020. So you're in the right place at the right time. There are so many more transformational stories that the world will see this year, 2020. This is transforming me into a more progressive and powerful leader and beyond in 2021. 2020, 2021, and beyond. So this 7 days to win, not a scam package, will get you the blueprint of you can get started online. Or let's say you've been online for a while, this can give you the extra edge that you've been looking for right now. Now, there's other testimonials on this page here, so definitely check it out, because this is real. This is not just fake people just putting things out here. All these people here has purchased this and had some results from this. So yes, these are some really good, powerful testimonials. Definitely read them when you get a chance to. That's mine right there that says entrepreneur. Absolutely. So just like I was saying before, it is basically you get the 7 days to win, plus the 3 bonuses. Look out for the green button and you go ahead and take action. And remember, it's risk-free with 100% satisfaction. So let me go back to the top here and I want to show you the video right here. Remember the video I was watching a little bit? Watch this video here. Don't forget, right below this video, click on the link to get started. I don't know how long this is going to stay. $7. 7 ways to win, because you deserve to win right now. Not yesterday, not last week, right now. And people are buying this right now because they see the actually value in this. And this video right here, when you go to here, it's going to show you how to get access in minutes. It's going to show you exactly how you can win right now. And look at that. I know you want to know how to make money online, and that's why you're still watching this, because you're still watching this video because you want to learn how to do this even in quarantine. Even in quarantine, this will help you. So let me go ahead and go back to the main screen. So right below this video, get started, click on the link where you can go ahead and learn and discover how to make money online even during quarantine. Absolutely. So no scam. Absolutely. You're in the right place at the right time. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. But once again, click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you on the next video.